Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best solar generator kits. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Kalisaya KP401 KaliPAK 384WH solar generator system. These days, it is feasible to have energy even when you are off the countrywide grid. The trick is getting Kalisaya solar generator device with a sun panel. Though the package is compact, offers enough electricity to preserve your telephones, laptops and other small appliances strolling. Tasked with this feature is a heavy-duty battery which has an electricity score of 384 Wh. As an end result, the generator can price an iPhone for over 42 times earlier than recharging it. Now, neglect approximately those sun generator systems that you have to shop for accessories one after the other. With KP401, it comes with everything you need. The 4 folding solar panels with the 40W score takes less time to recharge your batteries. Further, the DC-AC adapter is right fuse with any tool. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the ACOPOWER 12V 1050W foldable solar panel kit. The ACOPOWER brings you one of the great sun kits which can be tasked with powering your private home when you are out of strength. When you get this package, it is straightforward to port than others. The monocrystalline photovoltaic panels are foldable into a suitcase layout. Additionally, they have got one of the maximum efficiency of up to 25% conversion price. Despite the compact design, the package is quite reliable and multi-purpose, whereby it can charge both lithium and lead batteries. When charging your gadgets, there's no want to however a separate inverter. The Phi controller on this package is designed to enable charging of batteries in addition to telephones via the outfitted USB port. At number 3, we have the Monerator Gusto Portable Solar Generator Kit. Enjoy dependable and cheap electricity everywhere with this Monerator Portable Solar Generator Kit. It is a full generator kit together with all of the necessities from the sun panel, inverter, battery amongst others. It is a lightweight kit which can be used outdoors while tenting and different activities. The portability is enhanced via the LiFePO4 battery which is lighter than lead acid batteries. Also, the battery is secure and won't threat explosions and fires like different Li-ions-based batteries. Now, in relation to charging, the generator has an inbuilt inverter and rate controller. Therefore, it's miles feasible to get either AC/DC strength just by plugging the plug into your desired outlet. At number 2, we have the Goal Zero Yeti 1250 Solar Generator Kit. One of the excellent solar generators in the marketplace you could guess on is that this Goal Zero 1250 bit package. A surprisingly reliable electricity package which offers you a peace of mind. Notably, unlike other models that are bulky to hold, this one is easy. The solar panel capabilities a foldable briefcase layout, which lets in ease of wearing. The dual panels have a power rating of 100 W, meaning charging a battery is rapid and convenient. Well, apart from the folding panels, the package additionally boasts effective lead acid batteries, created with 1250 Wh ability. The battery can power up to 10 devices at a go. The incorporated inverter provides USB charging ports and 12V connectivity, subsequently ideal for all your household small home equipment. The battery is chainable with others properly for an extended runtime. With the integrated kickstand, its approach that tracking the best sunshine is simple. And finally at number 1, we have the Renoji Phoenix Portable Generator All-in-One Solar Kit. Portable Sun Kit is one on the way to healthy all of your electricity need. Whether it is all through emergencies or going outside, you could move the entire unit. The package is designed presenting built-in monocrystalline 20W sun panel. Furthermore, the package is expandable to 20 watt. Boasting a briefcase design, mobility is exceptional and gives you the liberty to carry it anywhere. Now, as an alternative of purchasing extraordinary accessories, the Renogy multi-function sun kit has eased all that. The built natural sine line inverter permits the generator to supply either AC or DC. Therefore, powering your appliances is simply trustworthy. Apart from being rechargeable through sun panel, it's also like-minded with AC and automobile cigar port. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this solar generator kits, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.